To change a baby's diaper or nappy, follow these steps. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to prevent the spread of germs. Lay the baby on its back on a clean, flat surface. If the baby is mobile, you want to use a changing table or a pad placed on the floor to prevent them from rolling off. Remove the soiled diaper. If using a disposable diaper, use the front flaps to gently lift the diaper off the baby's body, taking care not to accidentally touch the mess inside. Dispose of the diaper properly. Clean the baby's bottom. Use a clean, damp cloth or baby wipes to gently wipe the baby's skin. Start at the front and moving towards the back. Make sure to clean all areas thoroughly, including between the folds of the skin. If the baby is a boy, be sure to carefully clean around the genitals. Dry the baby's skin. Use a clean, dry cloth or disposable diaper liner to gently pat the dry skin. Be sure to dry between the folds of the skin to prevent irritation. Then apply a new diaper or nappy. Dispose of the soiled cloth or wipes and wash your hands again to complete the process.